Here I am going to discuss the course called Internet of Things and Application. That is nothing but IoT. Code is a 17 CS 81 for 8th semester. As a part of the computer science and engineering, this current course going to be discussed in the 5 models, and here I am going to discuss the introduction to IoT, that is Internet of Things, as a session 1. We will continue to discussion this with help of the following presentation milestones, right? So the first component is the IoT, Internet of Things, the different dimension, how it looks, right? So we will see what are all the elements are responsible to say the complete the gamut as a Internet of Things. So things which are elements which are in the form of information, in the form of devices, in the form of data, so on that several elements will be contributed to form a word called Internet of Things. Further, it evolves from the significant amount of changes which happen from the past. It impact over the situation of IoT, and it adapts changes which happen in the technology and the human usage. And we can see that what are the markets, definitely they're going to be influence over this IoT concept, because the people are contributing their hard-earned money to utilize these concepts. So there is an impact from the various dimension, especially from the market. So digitization concepts also makes most important here. The most of the real world things will be interact within the IoT, so those will be expected in the digitization form. So we need to be digitize them. Certain times it may be analog quantity, a certain time it may be a complex nature quantity, right? So those quantities going to be associated to this IoT concepts, and the device is going to be acquire those knowledge, which in terms of the digit, or there could be impacts of these changes due to the science and technology, which bear some influences for this concept. So, and also after discussing the some fundamental aspects, so we'll going to move towards the applications. There are several applications are exist in the literature. There could be a creature, that could be a civil applications, there could be some military applications, there could be some the day-to-day activities of the human lives. In such a way we will going to be discuss at this session. One example going to be discussed as a connected roadway. The subsequent discussion will be follow the other examples. Coming to this introduction to the uh, Internet of Things, here sense of the IoT world, right? Here we are enjoying, we have in this society, due to this technological improvement, so we have been enjoying the digital world, that is a sense of the IoT word. So this word has often been misused and can cover multiple realities. Sometimes uh, it encompasses the other realities also. So first part helps to understand what exactly IoT is, and narrate to overview of the landscape of the smart objects which going to be involved in IoT concepts, right? So the from those the control from those that control telescope mirrors with hundreds of action per seconds, telescope mirrors with hundreds of sections per seconds will be happening that, right? So these hundreds of actions will going to be provide the information which is happen in that telescope usage. So to those that stand rushed information once a month, right? So that send this complete information once in a month or week, so on, that depends upon the applications. Additionally, so that how IoT networks are designed and evolved and evolve those, so that we'll also going to be see in the subsequent discussion. So the predominant context of this IoT, which is responsible for overview of the history and beginnings of the IoT, right? So IoT suddenly may not came into exist. It evolved step by steps. It shows a small functionality, right? And it is gone increasing its extending its umbrella to the most of the humankind applications. uh, Let we see, also examines the convergence of the operational technology and information technology, right? So information technologies exist in most of the human application, most of the applications. We have been part and parcel of the life. Most of the kiosco which ruled, which is running by IT, information technology. Now operation technology is required for IoT. So this how this convergence will be happening that. So information technology and operational technology. So though these two are the face of the coin in a current situation. So it delivers the reference model to position IoT in the general network landscape, right? So here we can see that the majorly what is IoT, right? What is a IoT? We can see that what is a IoT. So let we see genesis of IoT, Internet of Things, and this digitization, right? So as we rightly pointed, as we rightly telling from since beginning, so digitization is also the most important, because nature have complex quantity, so they have analog quantity, right? So there is several smart device laying in the field or maybe hostile place, so they are keep acquiring the information from the nature or from the machine or from the animals or from the human beings. That is a entire the complex domain which exhibiting, which is a part and which is a part of the source of the information. So that source in that kind of information need to be acquired and keep it in a memory. To keep it in a memory, so we need to be structured them in a digitized formation, right? So after that we will see the what are all the impacts will be going to be bear on the other aspects. The convergence of information technology and Internet of Things. So how they are coming close to each other, how they are joining and all those. So that may not be discussed in this session. We may discuss in the subsequent session. So there are challenges we will need to be noticed. There are obviously there could be several challenges will be happening due to this IoT applications. We are going to be provide solutions, right? So let me see. So what are the paradigm is going to be say here, rapidly gaining ground in the wireless scenario, right? So the wired scenario we have seen, the lot of equipments and power and various things, logistic will become in a picture. Now that era has is diminishing. So what era now? Wireless era is coming here, right? So that rapidly, so they're gaining a ground reality in the wireless scenario. So that we need to be understand basic idea. The pervasive presence around us, a variety of things or objects, right? So there is the several things or objects lying around us which are associated to this system, which are giving some input to the system, which are held responsible and keep generating producing the output. After acquiring them, then it will be input to the system, object can see, which can able to hear, it performs the jobs. That objects, we make it a little smarter them by putting some small computation, assigning some small computation to them so that it can perform the jobs, right? So for example, it measures the temperature of the atmosphere, or it can collect the some sounds which happen nearby that objects, or some objects, some foreign objects are coming into closer to that object, so that can also see by the camera, right? So the can see, hear, perform jobs, right? So this small repetitive computation which going to be engraved in objects, those objects are the part of the Internet of Things, which are able to interact and talk to each other, right? Suppose two devices are there, so they can collect information and they can exchange their information. So by interacting, they can exchange the information, right? So here to teach a common goal, to reach a common goal, so there are several objects are lying in the system to achieve the common goal, right? So they may be splitted their jobs into several components. Each device or object looking after the one particular goal for particular task. So several tasks will be going to be after achieving that may reach to perform or achieve a goal. So like that, so IoT transfer these objects from traditional to smart. So basically the objects are conventional, so they might be perform some basic data analysis or acquiring. We can put some extra attribute to them to make it smart, and they could be going to be active or passive, which may be in the part of the system which may be little smart, being a conventional one, right? Exploiting the underlying technology, right, which going to be encase or the employ the whatever the modern technologies are lying in the literature and in the market. So by using them, the objects become smart and going to be cooperate to or become a part of the IoT system to achieve the common goal, to ultimately provide the solution for the user. So embedded device communication, sensor network, right, internet protocols, right? So these are the kind of underlying technology may be going to be involved in IoT concept, that is, right? So here we can see what is a IoT, right? So what is a IoT? You can see that. So the global system interconnected computer networks. The computer networks may be in the lab, right? So this interconnected computer networks, several systems are there in a network, several networks going to be interconnect. So particular network may be here, other network may be far away, the one more network may be in the other continent, one more network may be in the other district place, like that. Global system of interconnected computer networks that use the IP suite, right, to link a device worldwide, right? So across the globe devices are exist which may be a part of the network, and that part of the network become a the member of the other interconnected network, right? So that they can, the device which exists in the particular geographical place, that can be going to be interact with the device which exist across the globe or any far away places from the that network, right? So it is a network of networks, right? So bunch of systems are there in the network. So the bunch of network we can interconnect, right? So bunch of networks. So it is a network of network, consists of private, public, academic, business and research, government networks of local to the global scope, linked by a broad array of electronic, wireless and optical network technology. So simple word, it is a network of the networks, right? So the network would be a private or public or non-profit organization or some local influences, right? That linked broad array of electronics, right? So it's maybe optical network technology too, right? So let we see here, it carries an extensive range of information, right? It transfers the huge amount of information, the resource and services related to information related to resource and services, such that interlinked hypertext documents and application of the worldwide network, World Wide Web, email, telephony, point-to-point network of file sharing. Right? This could be possible. It could be a simple examples which happen in the network of the networks. Network of the networks may be useful to, you can use for the transfer the huge range of information. That information could be a resource or service or platform and so on. That what is the things, right? So internet we have seen now so far. Then we have internet of things, that is the things. What is things? Things may be it is object like a computer, like a maybe camera, maybe a speaker, right? Maybe some temperature sensor, right? Maybe some actuators, right? So these are the things which involved in a network, right? It may be a smaller size or bigger size, which may be involved in a network of network, which may be involved in a one network, which may be at the ground level, which may be located at the hostiles place, which may be located at the underground, which may be located at the forest area, right? So those are things are going to be become a part of the network, ultimately going to be achieve internet of things, right? So what is a IoT, right? We have seen since from the two slides. Further we have enhancing our knowledge, right? So supremacy of the definitions we are going to be observe. So these internet of things, anytime, any context, in whatever the context, so their internet of things will be there anytime, 24/7 into 365 days, right? So across the year, across the several years, right, which may be possible. Existence of that internet of things anytime, any context. Also you can use multiple people or single people, right? So anyone, anybody can involve here to use that. Any service, any business, right? So it could be a point to point, or maybe point of sale, or it may be some vertical market, or it may be some retail business, right? Any service can possible to make use of this internet of things. Any path, any network, right? It is obviously network of network, na? Any path, maybe path may be shortest routing algorithm. You might be discussing network algorithm. So there could be a shortest path, or maybe longest path. It may be multiple paths. So any path, any network, right? So any place, anywhere, any place, anywhere. So that anytime, any context, right? So anything, any device, anything, any device, right? See, there could be a time, there could be a people, there could be a kind of service, there could be a network involved, there could be a different place across the globe, maybe there could be several devices which will be involved, which that is a complete the gamut what we are observing. So this is an IoT, right? So after seeing this IoT, so what are the elements which will be participating here? What are the elements will participating here? So IoT equivalence going to be experiment, that is a identification, right? So identification, we have devices, we have things, smart device, right? So those need to be identify them. So they should have a unique ID. So across the globe we exist anywhere. So in order to identify them, so it have a identification. So once identified, then could be a sensing, right? The sensor should be there, right? So that sensors also going to be participate, which have unique ID. And also communication, it could be optical networks, it could be GPRS, or it could be ad hoc network, right? So that is a communication media should be there, because network will be exist in IoT, right? So and computations, each device or things, as we said, the device which involved here, which are able to do some small computations. Some of the device may not do small computations, they might be just captured some information which exist happen across that device. It may be 1 centimeter, it may be 1 meter, it may be 2 meter, it may be 1 kilometer, so on. That depends upon that capability of acquiring the information. So those device, some device may become little smarter, which having some small computations, that so it may be perform some data processing, repetitive processing will be performed, that right, computation will be possible. And also provide able to services, right? So also it analyzes those data. So semantics also going to be bring out to real world, which can able to understand what the IoT perform, what task has performed. So what is the output? So that in terms of language, or in terms of accents, in terms of symbols, right? So that could be possible, right? So identify the objects. The objects may be sensing, that could be communication network or computation model, it could be service provided, then could be semantics, that intelligence of the system will be able to be read out the semantics or the actual meaning, what will happen of that action. So that semantics will bring to the real world. So this complete multi-dimensional objects, multi-dimensional the concepts going to be encapsulated here. They are going to be putting an effort to perform to that best of their levels, and ultimately they are going to be yield a concrete meaning of the Internet of Things. So these are the major elements of the IoT, right? So genesis of IoT, creation of the term Internet of Things. Internet of Things is by Kevin Ashton while working for Procter and Gamble, that is PNC supply chain, linking to the Internet during 1999 at MIT Auto ID Lab. So Kevin Ashton predicted computers were brains without senses. Computers have brains, right? Because we have seen that they will do some little computations. So based on that, whatever the computation model we imposed in the algorithm, after executing that, it will show some computations. But they do not have a common sense. Without sense, they will do that, right? So that sense we can make up with help of the objects. Computers are sensing things for themselves, right? So themselves they will be sense, right? So that how we can make use that. So after discussing this, let we see how this Internet of Things evolved, right? So it is basically exhibiting in five phases of evolution of the Internet of Things. So there could be several literature maybe exist, right? That could be, but one concrete way of evolution of the Internet of Things can be observed in the following 5 phases. Start with the 2 computers, internet, mobile internet, people and devices, right? So computers, internet, mobile internet, people and devices, right? So the 5 phases we can see that. So network, we have the computers are there. Let me call them host, right? So computers will be involved in a network. So only 2 computers shown here, so that form a network. So that could be IP4 or IP5, sorry, IP6, right? So we have the internet will be formed, networks, the other internet, network to join and form a internet. So beginning one, maybe it is a intranet. So there are 4 net hosts are involved in the internet. So in the web, so it form an internet. That is a second phase. So third phase we have mobile internet. So we can introduce some smartness to these devices, become little smart. Maybe we introduce the mobile device. The mobile devices are maybe keep moving. So some devices are fixed. So little smartness they are added by including the mobile devices, right? So now mobile internet. Earlier the internet only. So before that there is only network which have a local level the system can talk or interact with them. Now it is across the globe, the system can interact with the other system. So little you can interact with a mobile device, moving device also, maybe a vehicle moving, maybe a flight moving, rail moving, right? So moving vehicle also can be involved here. So mobile network. So adding more complexity, adding more dimension here, mobile plus people plus PC, right? So now we added the peoples also. People may be static, that may be fixed place, or moving they also, right? So moving in a various dimension. So we have host computer, fixed one, mobile device they are moving, the people either may be moving or may be fixed, right? So we can see the what dimensions have been increasing, mobile plus people plus PCs, right? Now we can see all the device or all the smart or conventional device, all the human beings also can involved here, and this we can call Internet of Things. What are there? There is a mobile device, maybe vehicles, peoples also there, maybe they fix, they are moving slowly, they are moving fast through the transporting vehicle, maybe flight or maybe rail or maybe buses, right? So we have the fixed some devices, maybe petrol bunk also, maybe fridge also, right? So there are house also. So these are all involved in the network, form a Internet of Things. I hope followed. So things are there and they have network of network, so Internet of Things will be there. So these 5 phases since beginning we can see network, the internet, mobile network, mobile places and so on, that is, so form a Internet of Things. So we can see that evolution phases of the internet, there could be a y-axis business and societal impact and intelligent connection in a x-axis. So we can see that connectivity, right? So connectivity that digitize the access. So what are the resource acquired or the data acquired at the vicinity of the device which exist, which may be underwater, it may be underground, it may be in the air, or it may be land, or it may be moving vehicle, right? So those acquire the information, and after acquiring then start digitize them, right? So network economy, right? So networked economy, here the economy is we can see the several networks are involved here, and we can see immersive experiences, right? So immersive experiences we can observe here, intelligent connection and Internet of Things. So you can see an y-axis and x-axis. So business also increase, society impact also increased, and intelligence is also increases. Let we see one by one. So connectivity, the digitized access would be email, web browser, and search engines, right? So we have we inside that is email, small web pages, website of particular institutes, right? There could be a search engine, so Google search engine, Yahoo search engine. So we have, it will establish the connection, so the digitized access will be there. So network economy, we can have digitized businesses, right? Because they are the frontier to invest the money toward usage of the technology as well as also enhancing the technology. So e-commerce, digitized supply chain, collaboration, right? So these are business dimensions in view of digitization. So digitized interactions, right? Immersive experience. So digitized interactions may be maybe social network, Facebook, maybe WhatsApp, right? So that social network will be there. So immersive expression, it will be, society will be involved with other society, and the community will be involved with community will interact with other community. There are also mobility. So all data going to be kept in a cloud, and that could be video also, right? So Internet of Things that digitize the world, right? It is digitize the world, digitize the access, digitize the business, digitize the interactions. Now world going to be digitized, right? So the world, what are the world? The worlds are people, process, data, things, networks, so on, that all those going to be digitized here, going to be. So this evolution of changes or phases we can observe here, either connectivity, network economy, experiences, and Internet of Things. I hope you followed that is. So IoT integration of vertical and horizontal market we can observe that is. So here anytime anywhere, the vision pushing forward advances in communication. So application domain independent services horizontal market. So application domain independent of the services. Add anything. So increase the radio connection, right? Reduction in size, weight, energy, cost, right? So things are there, or objects are there, reduce their size and weight, right? Size reduces and power consumption will be less. Weight it helps to gain the other inputs, other information. Energy, the energy will be less. Cost will going to be reduced, that is, right? So reduction of size. So there is a transportation, the business, transportation business will be impact over the IoT, and also industry, right? Industry, they are going to be use the latest IoT concepts, and also the market, vertical market, that you can use that this one, and also the schools, education institutes also going to be employed, and although automotive industries also, vehicles also they are going to be used, and there is a domain specific applications, vertical markets. So that is a smart home and smart office, hospitals, right? So they become smart, right, with help of the improved objects or devices. Agriculture field also going to make use that, right? So there is a healthcare situation, right? Healthcare is also going to be become smart with help of this IoT. So you can see that digitization is a, we have seen that is a most important, an attempt connecting things such as objects and machines to computer network such as the internet. Example, Wi-Fi devices, right? Such as the internet, Wi-Fi devices. So digitized means things with the data they generate and business inside that results, right? Inside that we can focus inside that analyze the business data. So those can be able to draw the inferences. So that inference can help to boost the market, the sales, market sales. So capturing location and time through Wi-Fi devices, conversion of information into digital format, right? So the information will be digital format. Identify IoT and digitization in video rental industry, right? Video rental industry, uh, and transportation industry, right? So transportation industry, right? So transportation industry, the impacts continues that 17 millions of things are connected to the internet today, end of the 2018. Out of 7 billions are IoT devices. 7 billions are IoT devices are there, right? So things are connected, and Cisco system uh, uh, came out with a model that by 2020 the number will reach 50 billion, right? So 7 billion to 50 billion, right? So within a span of 2 years, 7 billions of IoT devices become now 50 billion. Cisco further the went and estimated connection will lead to $19 trillion in the profits and cost saving, right? So that almost maybe a fancy one it become. So the other impact we can see that, so billions of devices involved in IoT, so 0, 10 up to 50 billions. So the year to year, how this number of IoT things involved in IoT things are involved in IoT going to be increase. We have seen that, right? So let we see. So during 2003, that blue line, it indicates the population of the population of the world, right? 6.370, right? Billions of population, 6.7, 6.83, 7.37, 7.83. That is the world population. We can see that the green line in the green curve, what is that? Okay, curve indicates the the number of objects involved in IoT, right? So during 2003 started it emerges, and 2008 you can see it is equivalent to human population, and 2010 will almost become double, right? So 2015 you can see, right? So it almost towards the 20 billion, right? 20 billion of this one, whereas population is 7.3 billion. So by 2020, right, 2018 we can see that by 18 rapid adoption rate digital infrastructure, it is 5 times faster than the electricity and telephony, right? So people use the electricity and telephony, a very less number of people use that is, but IoT use 5 times of that. 5 times of that people have rapidly attracted by this IoT mesmerizes many people or many business, right? So you can see that by 2020 almost 50 billions of smart objects involved in a that is things per person. It may be possible that in a network, in a IoT, right? So this is a kind of a tremendous impact. It will just a glance, just a glimpse, just observing the comparison between this world population and number of objects or smart things involved in a IoT, right? So presently 14 billion, Cisco predicted 50 billion, United Kingdom predicted 100 billion, right? United Kingdom predicted 100 billions is number of objects going to be involved in. So after discussing these concepts, right? So let we see there are several examples, applications. There are several applications of IoT that connected to roadways, that is a smart creatures, and healthcare, and connected to the various other applications which may be going to be used the IoT. So maybe a smart car, smart house, right? So several applications are there. One simple example going to be discussed in this session. The subsequent discussion discussion will be followed in subsequent discussion. So self-driving or autonomous vehicle. So Google's self-driving car is there, right? IoT is also necessary component for implementing fully connected transportation infrastructure, right? Fully connected transportation infrastructure is available. One Google self-drive car, we have noticed that, right? So it's a Google self car. It have IoT based. There are several smart objects are there, so that it will be understand the front end and back end of the road scene. After analyzing the road scene, it will be move in a road, right? So connected road, the automobiles are equipped with the thousands of sensor, right? It's equipped with the thousands of sensors. So these sensors are IP enabled, internet protocol enabled, to allow easy communication with the other system, both the inside and outside the car, right? So sensors are there, several sensors are there. These sensors are internet protocol based, so they have IP, so they can interact with an other sensor, right? So new sensors and communication technologies are being evolved to permit a vehicle to talk to other vehicle. Suddenly there is a new sensor involved, the neighbor vehicle will become, the co-vehicle will be coming on the road. So those vehicles also have a sensors. So those sensors can talk with the neighboring car, right? So they can talk with each other. Vehicle traffic signals, school zones, and all other cautionary boards will be the side by side of the road. So that is also going to be catch hold and understand and varies the speed. It changes the speed, right? Elements of the transportation infrastructure, right? So these are all the board side and the road. They can go to be cautiously read by the vehicle and take a decision whether to move or not, right? So era starting to realize a truly connected transportation solution is a truly connected transportation solution. So here connected roadways, the challenges we can see. The very first challenge is safety. Safety challenge is a most important. According to this United States, 5.6 million crashes were reported in 2012. 5.6 million, resulting in more than 33,000 fatalities, right? So IoT and the enablement of connected vehicles technology will empower drivers with the tools they can need and anticipate potential crashes. They need to predict, they need to be understand crashes happen in the future within the next few seconds, and significantly reduce the number of lives lost each other, right? So according to this US report, so this number of crashes happen and several casualty or disturbance happen. In order to control them, we can use that IoT to enable connected vehicle will empower the drivers, right? So driver becomes smarter here, so of that vehicle, so that he can reduce that. So safety is a one major challenge. The mobility, second one is a mobility. So billions cars on the road across the globe, right? Connected vehicle mobility applications can enable to system operates and drivers to make a more informed decisions, which can help us to reduce the delay, congestion, causes 5.5 billion hours of travel delay per year. Right? To traffic signal, you can see that several vehicles waiting in the signals, right? So that also going to be reduced travel. If most of the vehicles become smart and they can reduce that, they can easily move over. They can easily avoid this waiting time. In addition, communication between the mass transmission, emergency response vehicles, and traffic management infrastructure help optimizing the routing of the vehicles, further reduce the potential delays ultimately. So the mobility will become uh, uh, enhanced. Mobility will be enhanced. So if no IoT, then only stationary vehicle will be stand still, the traffic signal clears. So environmental changes also happening, influences, right? According to, again, this public transportation of US transportation can collectively reduce the carbon dioxide, right, emissions by 16.2 million metric tons by reducing the private vehicle miles. Connected vehicles environmental applications will give travelers the real time information they can need to make green transportation choices, right? So you can understand the path, and it can reduce the pollution control that. So can more diagrammically we can see the automobile device and roads. Here we can see the small picture which have the internal structure of the car or a smart vehicle, what we have seen the several examples. So let we see that further, that is wireless sensors. So wireless sensor, online entertainment will be there for the travelers. Mapping, dynamic rerouting, safety and security will be there, right? It reroute and remap themselves very smartly. If it is dense or it may be traffic oriented roads are there, they can avoid and they can go to other, right? So we can have a connected devices. So connected devices which will be transfer the data to the actionable intelligence, right? So data connected from the camera or the other devices which can give it to some input to the make it a computation, so that it can measure the speed or control the speed, so on, that is. So enable the proactive maintenance, collision avoidance, fuel efficiency, right? Fuel efficiency also can take, that is. So urban connectivity, right? Reduce the congestion, increase the efficiency, safety, hazard avoidance, and so on, that. So with this, so it is the first session as a introduction of the IoT as a part of the module 1 of Internet of Things and Applications. Thank you for patient listening, and you have shown the enough interest on introduction to IoT, that is session 1. So like this, four more sessions will be there. So here we observed the Internet of Things of dimension, and what are all the actual dimensions are involved to say that complete IoT. So that is sensors, things, or processors, or maybe camera, several devices are involved, which are basically smart. They are involved become help us to make IoT more smart. So the evolution we have seen that there are the several phases, 5 phases of evolution we have seen that. There is a local system, network, and internet or mobile device involved, and people involved completely. After seeing all those, then Internet of Things will be involved. So there is a horizontal and vertical market we have seen, which are influences for the IoT. And digitization, that is access digitization, and we have seen the 4 phases of the business digitization and data digitization, and that you have seen that so the 4 phases of the digitization. There is impacts observed that and also challenges as concerned to road connectivity, that safety, mobility, and the other aspects we have seen that. So not to entire this one, only the examples we have seen, that applications we have seen, that road connectivity. With respect to that, some challenges we have seen, that is example we have studied in depth, that is connected roadways. That connected roadways, we have seen the several accidents which happen. In order to reduce them, the IoT is unique solutions or the major solutions we are coming up to by the most of this advancement of science and technology. People have been using that. The books followed that David Hens, Gonzalez, Shalgurio, Patrick Grosstete, Robert Bertun, Jerome Henry. The title is IoT Fundamentals Network Technology, Protocols and Use Cases for the Internet of Things. First edition, Pearson Education, that is a Cisco Press for Indian preprint. 2017 ISBN followed. The other second book going to be some of the cover some model 5 of this course, Srinivas KG, Internet of Things, Cengage Learning India, 2017. Apart from this, there is a reference books, Vijay Madhsetti and Asya Deep Baga, that Internet of Things hands-on approach, first edition, and Raj Kamal, Internet of Things Architecture and Design Principles, first edition, McRae publisher, 2017. They are going to be elaborate some of the experimental model of device involving in IoT. That concept explained in the Raj Kamal book. Thanks to coordinator and moderator, subject expert, which are given opportunity to present some of the concepts in this learning material. Thank you once again.